Welcome to this Easy Tech channel, and just wanted to talk about Twitter. The Twitter app on Android has finally updated itself with a brand new dark theme. Now you might say, well, it was already there, the dark theme. Yeah, but it was not a true dark theme, and it wasn't everywhere, and it didn't follow necessarily the rules of dark mode. Well, the updated app, so if you're on Android, you need to go to make sure that you updated the Twitter app. You can go to the Google Play Store and check for updates. In the latest update, well, you can simply go to your Twitter app. Once you're there, click on your avatar on the upper left corner. You'll see settings and privacy. Then you go to display and sound, and in there you will see dark mode. You can turn it on, or you can switch it on only automatic at sunset, depending on what you want to have. I like dark theme, so I switched it on for all the time. And so now it is available, and it's a true dark mode. And it's going to apply itself also pretty much everywhere. So if you have if you're using it on a Windows 10 PC or a Mac with the dark mode, everywhere where you're going to actually use Twitter, the true dark mode is actually coming everywhere. So this is good news, and it's nice because, dark mode is... I like dark mode. I like dark mode in apps, and I like dark mode everywhere, so it's kind of fun to use it for sure. So check it out. The true dark mode is now available for Twitter. If you enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.